Rosy Hardy, Hardy's Cottage Garden Plants, and we grow herbaceous perennials, and I've been doing this for over 30 years. It's really good to use and utilise the colour within herbaceous perennials. For instance, a lot of people will come in and they say, I would like to make a border that is white, pink and blue. That is wonderful and it looks really superb, but you have to get the proportion of those colours correct, otherwise it can look a little bit flat. You must put more yellow in there to highlight. You don't need to cover the garden with those colours, but you need to spot plant. Once you put a little bit of low yellow in, your eye gets drawn down to that yellow. That will then make you see the blues and the pinks behind. It will make them shine. It will make them look so much better. You can put a little bit of tall, soft, fluffy yellow in the way of euphorbias or tall thalictrums, just going a little bit higher, and that draws your eye further back. If you're wanting to use specifically one colour, a lot of people like the idea of having white gardens. What you have to remember is, don't just use white daisies. That looks very flat. You need to use spikes. You need to use different shapes of white. You need to use different shapes of actual leaf. And all of that mixture together means that you get this wonderful sort of camouflage of plant material going and feeding into each other. Always look at the centre of plants because they can have different coloured anthers, and especially things like Verbascum. So if you look at Verbascum Cotswold Beauty, lovely apricot outside petals, but when you look right into the centre, it's got this wonderful soft purple mauve centre. And that means you can pick up that colour and you can put that apricot with purples and mauves, and it will really stand out and look beautiful. Sometimes the stems are different colours. So something like Salvia caradonna has got really dark purple, almost black stems, and that contrasts well with whites and creams. So you just have to look at different parts. It's not just the flower colour itself, which is important when you are mixing your plants together. If you're wanting to find out more about mixing colours and putting the correct plants together, then you can always visit our website. With any plant that is there, you will have 4 extras that will go well with it. Otherwise, you can go onto the RHS website and they will give you advice as well.